Hi guys, today we have another PC unboxing video, and this time around we have Lexar Professional SSD. This particular model is classed portable SSD with hub Go model. This is a USB-C SSD that supports USB 3.2 Gen 2. So we can see the speeds on here. It's 1050 megabits per second reads and 1000 megabits per second writes. Okay, and this particular model, older one I have, is 1 terabyte. So yeah, so look at the sides. So the reason why I bought this, by the way, this is completely not non-sponsored video. I'm not getting paid through Lexar to review this product or show you the video. So this I've purchased this for myself just so I can make more and more content as such. Now, this particular model comes with obviously the SSD, which is quite small, compact. It also comes with a hub, and this hub supports. It has 4 USB-Cs, one for the SSD, obviously, which is indicated with a small dent. And then you've got 2 USB-Cs for data, for these all your peripherals like mic or other stuff. And then you've got another one, which is also data as well as 30 watts power delivery, so you can charge your rig. Going at the back, we are IP65 dustproof and waterproof, so you can use it outside. I'm not entirely sure if that applies to the hub though, as well as the SSD. It might just apply to the SSD. I'm not complete. Oh, yes. So this says here only for portable SSD. So this doesn't apply for the hub. 1 meter drop resistance. Okay, that's an interesting height. Okay, going on the other side. System requirements. We've got Mac OS 10.6 and above, iOS 11 plus, Android 4.4 plus. Obviously standard USB Type-C ports. This package contains, you got the portable solid-state drive, the hub, the storage bag, some adapters, cables, and 20 stickers. Jeez Christ, okay. Smartphones with Type-C, Mac and Windows. Okay, so it's good to know. So how do we open this then? Okay, so we got a nice tab here, gold tab on there. And obviously this is made in Thailand. At least that's what it says on there, made in Thailand. So quickly unbox it. Okay, take this off, unpeel it. Okay. That's all. So we got our tips. Okay, let's see what it says on there. This is actually quite important, and this is very important for me in particular. Like, so it says in here, warm tips: please avoid using a portable SSD for extended periods in high temperatures or direct sunlight. While recording your phone may temporarily disable some functions or show a cooling alert if it overheats. Once this phone cools down, you can continue recording directly on the portable SSD. So I don't know if I like this. So I don't know if you can see that. This is the only reason why I dashed out the extra money, is because I need an SSD that doesn't overheat. So I'll give it a bit of a test. I'll put in the description how it performed with the tests. But if this SSD overheats, then what's the point? I don't actually need an SSD that overheats. So I'll be returning this. Well, let's see on here some interesting configurations. So you got code show. So on here, packaging overview, you got the hub. I don't know if you can see that. The hub, the USB Type-C adapter, the USB Type-C cable with the cold shoe mount, user manual, again the hub again, appearance, side ports, etc. Shows me how to connect it, blah blah blah. Okay, that's irrelevant, so we've gone through that. We don't want to go through this. And this is the packaging. First impression of the packaging is actually quite nice. Seems like a waterproof packaging, at least it leaves that impression. Then pull this up. Okay, so okay, this is the SSD. Actually, it's in a nice box. What do we have in there? This is the hub unit. Okay, it actually feels quite nice. Yeah, peel this off. It's all metal, is it? Feels like metal. It's cold to the touch. There's something loose in it. I can feel something moving, which is not great. What else do we have? Anything else in there? Some strap from Lexar. Some padding. Nothing else. Okay. So this is where we got the cold chair mount with the USB-C cable. Okay. Take that out. I don't know if you can see that. Looks metal. It doesn't feel metal. It feels actually quite feels very light. I don't know if that is metal. Okay, and we got the USB-C adapter, USB-C to USB-C. Okay. Okay, so this is the hub. Some small screws. Okay, Alexa, and on there we've got the main player. Oh, one more adapter as well. This is the SSD. It comes with a rubber padding on, some stickers if you need some Lexar stickers, and another adapter. So I'll move that out of the way. So we've got a nice Lexar strap. There's a small logo on the Lexar. I don't know if you can see that. I tried to zoom in. Okay. Got the SSD. It's quite small to fit, tiny. It's actually way smaller than the hub itself. And you got two USB-Cs to USB-C male to female, and then this is USB-C male to male. So the different configurations you can use. The way it dismounts is like this. Okay, it actually goes quite snug. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. That is snug there. And then the rest of it goes on the phone. I believe, as far as I remember, only one end goes in flush. Yeah, that's it. And then you can use different things like power, microphone, and obviously you got your SSD to the phone. So you only two more options. So one more. So this is either power or something else, and you got your microphone as well. So okay. And obviously you can use different configurations with this. Okay, which is interesting. I don't know what you're going to use for this for. Oh, you got also the cold chair mount, which it can replace. Let me just unplug this. I can't. Well, I can't even take this off now. Okay, that's off now. Let's see now. So, cold chair mount plugs in like that. So, interesting. So you got options to mount this somewhere. In my case, I don't know where to mount this. To be fair, I'm looking at the options for the. Maybe I can mount it on the top. Yeah, I can mount it on the top. Yeah. Got options to mount. Yeah. Yeah, I'll face it down. Well, I'm not going to show you now, guys. But yeah, I've got cold chair mount here. Okay, so I can only mount it facing like that. And obviously that's going to be in front of the camera. I need to revisit this. But yeah, so that is the basic unboxing. I hope you liked this video. Again, I've run some tests. Hi guys, just a bit of a to catch up on some of the previous comments. So yeah, I did a bit of a test on Lexar Professional SSD, and yeah, it did overheat, but it only overheat after 25 minutes of recording ProRes HQ. Apple lock, and simultaneously that I was also using the power supply to feed the phone with power. And to be honest, I think predominantly it only started overheating after I plugged the power supply and ran that for another 5 minutes. It seems that powering the phone or feeding power and also recording ProRes is not ideal, but in regards with the performance, just recording on Apple Lock HQ, no problem, kept quite well. Honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised with the way it performed. But yeah, so that's about it. Just wanted to catch up in the video and to follow up on some of my concerns, so to say, with the SSD, because of being a small factor. I was really concerned with the thermals, but now it's kept quite well with the thermals. So yeah, definitely recommend it. It's the most minimalistic SSD I've ever used and ever seen, and it does keep up to the promise. So yeah, thanks for watching this again, guys. Bye for now. Until then, I hope you liked this video. This again, a non-sponsored video, so I don't get any money for this. So any subscriptions or likes, I'll much appreciate it, because this will, help me continue with this content. So yeah, there you have it, and more feedback to follow up on this video with regards to performance. But for now, take care, have a good night, bye.